What is bug report? It is documented artifact that we use to communicate a problem or potential problem of software. Elements of defect report. Defect ID. Tool will generate automatically. Title. Headline of bug. Description. Explain the bug in short. Mention env or browser used. Severity. Mention rank that how defect is affecting the application. Priority. Order to fix any defect, example P1, P2. Steps to reproduce. Explain the steps when you found bug. In this we mention expected result and actual result as well. Screenshot. Attach a screenshot of where found bug. Some additional fields we need to clear in bug report are 1. Reported by 2. Date reported 3. Assigned to 4. Status 5. Module, business area